Hey everyone, it's beginning to look a lot like innovation. I'm Walking from Motorola, and this Christmas we've curated the perfect gift lineup for every type of tech lover in your life. From style to performance, small to big screens, we've got something special. Let's dive in. The Moto Watch Fit. This one's for the active, mindful ones in your life. The Moto Watch Fit packs a 1.9-inch AMOLED screen, IP68 water resistance, and a battery life that lasts up to 16 days. The Moto Tag, the perfect stocking filler. The Moto Tag is an ultra-compact tracker with ultra-wideband and Bluetooth support. It's IP67 rated and built for tracking your keys, backpack, or winter hat. Ideal for the person who's always misplacing things. We all know the one. The Moto Bud Loops. For the audio enthusiast, the Moto Buds Loop feature sound by Bose, spatial audio, water repellent design, and up to 8 hours of continuous use, with another 37 hours of power from the case. Whether it's the gym, train, or couch chilling, these will deliver. Wrap them up for your music-loving friend. The Razr 60 Brilliant Collection. The Motorola Razr 60 Brilliant Collection. Now we're talking showstopper. The Razr 60 Brilliant Collection comes adorned with Swarovski crystals, blending premium design with foldable tech. For the fashion-forward trendsetters in your life, it's tech and style in one box. The Razr 60 Ultra. For the ultimate gift, the Razr 60 Ultra, if you're treating someone to the best of Motorola, this is it. The Moto Edge 70. For someone who wants high-end all-rounder without going foldable, the Motorola Edge 70 is it. Ultra-thin design, but with no compromises. The Moto G06 Power. For the friend or family member who values endurance above all, the Moto G06 Power. 7,000 mAh battery, 6.88-inch display, solid specs at great price, perfect for someone who uses the phone heavily and wants simple reliability. The Moto G86 Power. The Moto G86 Power is a mid-range beast. 6.67-inch, 120Hz display, 50 megapixel camera with OIS, large battery and excellent value, ideal for the ones in your life who wants great specs without flagship budgets. So thank you for joining me today. Happy holidays and happy gifting.
Hello, Moto.